Hi, I'm Sally Helgesen. I'm a best-selling author, international speaker, and leadership coach. Forbes magazine described me as the world's premier expert on women's leadership, and I'm doing this video for Right Selection. Clients often ask me, how exactly can engaging women have a positive impact on my bottom line? They'll say, I know the generic research about the advantage of diverse teams, but how is that going to impact my organization? And I tell them, you need to analyze your internal research to find that answer. For example, I was working with a global energy client, and they were highly skeptical on this issue. But when we dug down into their research on employee perception, guess what we found? That the level of engagement, the feeling that they were valued among women at all the sites around the world correlated exactly with their safety record on those sites. Now that's a big bottom line implication. So what I say to clients is, if you're skeptical, go to your own research. You will find the business case there. Thank you.